Have you ever felt like no matter how much you shower, summer still finds a way to make you feel sticky, sweaty, and just, Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you staying fresh all summer could actually be easy and even fun? If you like feeling confident, smelling amazing, and being that person who always seems put together even in 100-degree weather, keep watching, because I'm spilling all the summer hygiene secrets you need. In summer, your body makes more sweat because of heat. Sweat mixes with dirt and germs. This makes bad smell and skin problems. You should take a bath every morning. If you sweat too much, take another bath in the evening. Use gentle soap to wash your whole body, underarms, neck, back, private parts, feet. Wash between your toes and behind your ears. These places hold dirt. After bathing, dry your body very well with a towel. Wet skin can get rashes. Deodorant and body smell. Even after bath, you can sweat again in the day. Deodorant helps stop bad smell. After drying body, apply deodorant to underarms. If you sweat a lot, carry a small deodorant or roll-on in your bag. You can use wet wipes to clean your underarms before reapplying. Teeth and mouth cleanliness. In summer, we drink juices, cold drinks, eat ice creams, sweets. These can damage teeth. Brush your teeth 2 times every day. Morning after waking up. Night before sleeping. Brush your tongue too. Tongue holds bad smell. Floss your teeth once a day to clean between teeth. Drink water often to stop dry mouth and bad breath. You can also use mouthwash if you want extra freshness. Clothes, what to wear and how often to change. Wearing light, soft clothes in summer is important, and cotton is best because it allows air to pass. It's essential to change your clothes every day since dirty clothes smell bad. If your shirt gets sweaty, you should change it as soon as possible. Always wearing clean socks daily helps maintain hygiene. Sweaty socks can cause bad foot smell and fungus, so after coming home, it's a good habit to wash your feet with soap and water. Hair and scalp cleanliness. In hot weather, scalp gets oily and sweaty. If your hair becomes sticky, it needs washing. Wash hair 2 to 3 times in a week, or more if it gets dirty. Use shampoo to clean scalp gently. If no time to wash hair, you can use dry shampoo spray to freshen up. Skincare, sun and sweat protection. Summer sun can burn your skin. Use sunscreen, SPF 30 or higher, on face, hands, neck, before going outside. Reapply sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours if you are in sun. Exfoliate your skin, scrub, 1 to 2 times a week to remove dead skin. Use light, oil-free moisturizer to keep skin soft but not greasy. After sweating, wipe your face with clean wet wipes to feel fresh. Drink water and eat fresh. In summer, your body loses water by sweating. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Eat juicy fruits like watermelon, cucumber, oranges to stay cool. Avoid too much coffee, tea, or alcohol. They make body dry. Keeping body dry. No rashes in hot areas of your body, underarms, between thighs, under breasts. Sweat stays longer. This can cause rashes and fungal infections. After bath, apply talcum powder or antifungal powder in these areas to stay dry. Change wet clothes quickly if you get sweaty. Bonus tip, clean your surroundings. 2 change bed sheets and pillow covers weekly. Wash your towel after 3 to 4 uses. Keep your room clean and airy. All right, now you're officially Summer Fresh certified. Which of these tips are you already doing? And which one blew your mind? Comment below and don't forget to hit that like button if you love smelling good all summer long. Subscribe for more real-life glow-up hacks. See you in the next one.